How to change lock screen app shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 device. By default, your lock screen shortcuts may be set to apps like Camera or Google Chrome, depending on your device settings. If you want to customize these shortcuts on your Samsung phone running the latest One UI version, here's how to do it. First, lock your Samsung device. On the lock screen, you'll see the left and right app shortcuts at the bottom corners. Now, long press on the lock screen to open the customization menu. Tap on Shortcuts. Here, you'll see a list of apps that you can assign as lock screen shortcuts. Select the app you want to use. You can customize both the left and right shortcuts. Just tap on the shortcut you want to change and choose your preferred app. After selecting the apps, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. That's it! Your new lock screen shortcuts are now applied. To access them, simply press and hold the shortcut icon on the lock screen, then swipe toward the center of the screen. You can use these shortcuts without fully unlocking your phone, depending on the app and your security settings. And that's how you change lock screen app shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 devices.